Chapter 12 Algebraic Expressions. What is a variable? We use letter X, Y, L, M, etc. to denote variables. Means all kinds of the alphabets that is in the variable form. A variable can take various values. Its value is not fixed. What is a constant? A constant has a fixed value. Examples 400, -17, 5, 6. These all are the constant. Now what is the algebraic expressions? The combination of this variable and constant is an algebraic expression. Example 4x plus 5, 10y minus 20. Now what is the terms in expression? A terms can be a number, a variable, product of two or more variables, or product of a number and a variable. An algebraic expression is formed by a single term or by a group of terms. For example, in the expression 4x plus 5, two terms are 4x and y. Means here two terms 4x and y. Factors of a term. The numbers or variables that are multiplied to form a term are called its factors. For example, 5xy term is given, in that factors are 5, x and y. The factors of the term 3a raised to 4, it's a 3, a and a, because here a raised to 4. 1 is not taken as a separate factor. Coefficient of a term. A coefficient is the numerical factor of a term containing constant and variables. In the term 5ab, here 5 is the coefficient. In the term minus 5ab square, here minus 5 is the coefficient. When there is no numerical factor in a term, its coefficient is taken as a plus 1. For example, in the term x square y cube, here the coefficient is plus 1. In the term minus x, the coefficient is minus 1, because here the minus sign is given. Now, what are the like and unlike terms? When the terms have the same algebraic factors, they are like terms. For example, 2xy and 5xy. The factor of 2xy is 2x and y. And the factors of 5xy is 5x and y. So these two are the like terms. And when the terms have the different algebraic factors, they are unlike terms. For example, 2xy and minus 3x. Here the factors of 2xy, it's a 2xy. And factors of minus 3x, it's a minus 3 and x. So both the factors are different. So it's unlike terms. Now, what is the monomial, binomial, trinomial and polynomials? Monomials means an expression with only one term is called monomials. For example, 7xy, minus 5m, 4. This all are the monomials. Binomial means an expression which contains two unlike terms is called binomials. For example, x plus y, m minus 5. Trinomials. An expression which contains three terms is called trinomials. For example, x plus y plus 7, m plus n plus 10. These all are the trinomials. Polynomials mean an expression with one or more terms is called a polynomials. Thus, a monomial, binomial and trinomial all are the polynomials. Now let us start with the exercise 12.1. Here, get the algebraic expression in the following cases using variable constant and arithmetic operations that you have already learned in the previous standard. Here we have to make the expression subtraction of z from y. So expression it's a y minus z. 1/2 of the sum of numbers x and y. So first we have to do the sum of x and y and then 1/2 of it. So 1/2 x plus y, or we can write it as x plus y divide 2. Now the number 2 multiplied by itself. Sorry, it's a number z, not 2. By multiply by itself means z multiply z is equal to z square. Question 2. Identify the terms and their factors in the following expression. Show the terms and factor by tree diagram. The tree diagram that you have already learned in the previous standard. Here one expression is given x minus 3. So first write the expression x minus 3. Now we have to write the terms here x and minus 3. These are the terms. So when they are asking the tree diagram, in that case you have to show just like this. B 1 plus x square. First write the expression. Terms of its 1, x and x square. Now the factors of 1 and x, it's a 1. So no need to write, but the factors of x square, it's a x and x.